Hi there, Emmanuel here, and you probably found this video because you're looking into this EasyRankr. You're looking for an EasyRankr review, or you're just doing your research. You're just seeing if this is for you, if this actual piece of software can help you in your marketing. So I'm going to go into that, and so in a second I'll go into that review. But if you're not already a subscriber to the channel, then please just take a second, just hit the subscribe button below. Also remember to tick on the bell icon, so that anytime I do release any new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. And I'm doing that quite regularly. If I find out about any of these products, I'll review them. If I find out any tips, any tricks, anything I think that potentially is going to help you in your marketing, then I'm putting a video out there. So make sure you don't miss out on that and you hit the subscribe button below. Also, I have a free 4-part video affiliate marketing course that will teach you the basics of affiliate marketing. If you want to get hold of that at any point, I'll leave a link below this video. You can click on that and you get completely free access to that 4-part affiliate marketing course. Okay, so let's get started. EasyRankr. So I'm going to go through the sales page in a second, but in essence, what this is saying it's going to do is going to teach you to find keywords, that you can then make videos about, and you can rank these videos very easily on YouTube and on Google. Yes, it's actually an API software that you use on YouTube. So it will go and do YouTube searches. So whatever your niche is, you put it in and it will go out there and it'll do YouTube searches, and it'll find keywords, long tail keywords and short tail keywords. When we say long tail, what we mean by that is keywords that have 4 to 5 words in them. Yeah, so maybe make money online easily or something. That's 4 words. That's 4, 5 and above. Those types of keywords are a lot easier to rank for, because they're longer, so the competition isn't as much. So this piece of software is going to go out there and find you these keywords. You connect it to YouTube, it will find you these keywords, and it will find you the competition as well. So how much people are paying for the clicks, because people pay for keywords on YouTube. The advertisers, so it's telling you how much people are paying for the keywords. Also, it's going to tell you how much competition there is. And this is the bit that, because there's loads of keyword tools out there. I mean, like Google itself has one, Google AdWords. They have a keyword tool, which is very good. And it does basically everything this does, apart from this competition bit. It doesn't tell you, for example, like with this keyword, how many people are trying to rank for this keyword. So how many people have got videos out for that exact same keyword, the competition, because what you're ideally trying to do is find a keyword that has loads and loads of searches, but hardly any competition, because then you've got the highest chance of ranking for that, and then it tells you the amount of searches as well, but this is the page. I'm going to go through the page and I'm going to give you my kind of opinion on it. So you can watch as your new software easily gets page 1 rankings literally in minutes. Okay, again, this sort of stuff makes things sound so easy. You won't get, without a channel that has subscribers on there, if you're a complete newbie, if you don't have a decent channel that has subscribers, engagements, likes, and all this sort of stuff, you're not going to rank videos in minutes. So just get that stuff out of your head already, because that's not going to happen. Without backlinks, no streaming, no previous SEO experience. Okay, case studies included, how the software got us 5 page 1 rankings in 5 days with 0 other strategies involved. Any video, any site. Okay, fair enough. So rank any video, any site with this in as little as a few minutes. Again, people spend years learning SEO and especially learning YouTube ranking. People try. It takes months to years to really get a strong channel that ranks very, very easily videos. So this piece of software can't just come along and suddenly make you rank things in minutes. It's just not possible. I mean, if it was, I would love to know. If this thing actually works, then let me know, but I just don't see it. But anyway, these people here now, this one here saying testimonials, this guy supposedly is a newbie. This guy's a 6-figure earner. He says he found 9 zero competition keywords for any niche, and he done it in minutes as well. This person said he's just been lost his job due to COVID. And then, he used this and now he's getting multiple page 1 rankings just a few minutes after publishing my video in most cases, right? Then we come along to some proof, supposedly these videos here. Now this is where it got a little sticky for me, because all these videos here some of the keywords, the competition, I mean, the actual traffic you would get, even if you ranked on there, is so low. You know, I actually went and done a search myself. This one, page ranking, if you rank number 1, you'd get 9 clicks a year. I mean, a month, sorry. So it's not like you're getting tons and tons of traffic, but still, if you can rank number 1 and this thing helps you do it, then yeah, it's all power to you. Now I went to the site where it was done, and this is all on one site. So it's not tons of people's sites. This is one site. All these 4 little things here all come from the same videos on one site. And not all of these videos rank. Only this one and I think this one here are the only 2 that actually rank anywhere on YouTube. And with deeper investigation, this site belongs to this guy here, who's supposedly claiming he's a newbie. And if you go and look at the videos, some of them are premiered. So you really need to know what you're doing. He's got already 500 subscribers on there. So, you know, you lost your job 2 weeks ago and now you can do this. Do you know, but what I'm trying to say here, I'm not trying to say that this piece of software doesn't work, because probably as a keyword finder tool, it probably does. And I wouldn't be surprised if you could find a few keywords that actually you could rank for. So it says enter any niche. Yeah, so you put your niche in, whatever it is, make money online or whatever. Then step 2, it goes and finds a huge list of keywords that are low competition keywords that you can rank for. And then 3, you rank, and it says bank as well. But again, not so sure about that, but rank definitely. So the price is if you get in early, supposedly the light, so you get 100 campaigns per month and it's $27. If you get the pro one, then you get more campaigns. I think it's 500 per month, and you now pay $35.95. There are upsells, because really that's where they make the money on this sort of stuff. Upsell 1 is you get this EasyRankr Pro, so you get more searches and they show you about some optimization. Upsell 2 is something called Magic Content, $37. Upsell 3 is Rank Snap, so it's a piece of software that they had before that actually helped you to build backlinks to using social media profiles. Again, because you know you need these sort of things. They said at the top of this page, without backlinks, without no experience. So really you do need things like backlinks. It helps with engagement, it helps with rankings. So that's $47. And then upsell 4 is the Rank Snap, but now the pro version, where you get more backlinks from SEO sites and stuff, and that's $67, you know. So it does come with a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you have a channel and you're trying to find some keywords that have low competition and you want to give this a go, then why not for $20, $25, $27 odd. There are a lot of very, very good research tools out there. One of the ones I like is called Jaxi, actually. This is it here. And you can actually get 30 free searches. So you can actually go and have a look at it, and it does all these things and more. Yeah, it finds out the competition. It finds out the chances of you ranking number 1. It gives you an SEO score and all this sort of things, because you really need to learn how to do this properly. I mean, I'm not saying that this doesn't work. I've never used this. I'm not saying it wouldn't find keywords out there. I wouldn't sit here and say it didn't. All I'm saying is all they do with these things, they just make them sound a bit too easy. That all you got to do, you get this video, either you film a video or you get this cartoon style video. You put a keyword on there that this thing finds for you. This has tons of time. So it's got 20,000 odd searches and 0 competition, or very, very low competition. Maybe only five sites are going after it. If you can find something like that, that's the diamond in the rough. If you find something like that, yeah, you will rank. But then you need a channel that has a little bit of authority to it. So it needs a few subscribers. It needs a few kind of backlinks. It needs a few other things. I mean, even their channel there, just from the experience that I know, they've paid for some backlinks there, do you know? So just know that there's a journey in this. That's all. I mean, you can use the software. It will probably help you find some keywords, but just know it's not going to be that easy. You're not just going to put a video up and it's going to rank number 1 on YouTube and number 1 on Google. It takes time to do things like that. But if you want to follow the process, and hopefully they'll have some training on stuff like that, then in a few months, if you have a realistic expectation, a few months, maybe a year, then you will be ranking videos and they will be on page 1 of YouTube and Google, and then you will see success, because you know it's a good way to market. That's the way I market, you know, as well as other ways, but it's a good way to market. You'll get some good quality traffic that way, do you know? But anyway, listen, I hope that helped. I hope you got some value from that. It's a kind of long-winded way to say that YouTube marketing does work if you do it properly, do you know? But the reason I know about all these sorts of things, because if you know my story, I've been actually involved in affiliate marketing. I've actually been in it now for 10 years. And when I first started, I was doing all right. I was doing all right, but I didn't know it at the time because I was trying to follow everyone else. These people saying, you know, in 2 days they made 50,000. This one in 2 days he made 10,000. And I'm thinking, well, what am I doing wrong? Because I get an odd sale here and there, maybe once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. And this person's getting it all the time. So then I went on the shiny object journey, I call it, where I tried this one because this one seemed like they were getting success. Then I went to this one because this one seemed like it was getting success. And there's nothing I don't think I haven't tried. I've tried drop shipping. I've tried e-commerce. I tried network marketing. I just tried it all. And it just became too much. It was just too much because there's so much information out there. You couldn't find the wood for the trees. So I gave it all up. I just thought this is too much. It's not for me. And I just gave it all up. But I always had that voice in my head telling me, you know, you can do this. And I was lucky enough to meet 2 mentors that actually taught me the basics of affiliate marketing. They taught me about traffic, turning traffic to leads and leads into sales, and doing that on a consistent basis, you know. So that's why I actually put together this 4-part affiliate marketing course that will teach you the same, to go from where you are now to a place where you're getting leads to a place where you're getting sales, and hopefully we're doing that consistently, you know. So if you're interested in having a look at that, then like I said earlier, I'm going to leave a link below this video. You can click on that and get completely free access to that. But either way, I do hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get some value from it as well. If you do have any comments, anything you want to say at all, then please leave it in the comments box below. All right, once again, thanks for listening. Till next time, you take care. I'll speak soon. All the best. Take care.